can safely say that each one of you in this room leads a privileged life. People on the streets have to think about whether they will be able to eat, whether they will have a place to shit, whether they will have a place to sleep. None of you guys have that problem here. So I will urge you that, don't spend this life doing something you don't love. That's all I can say.
Guys, I tell you one thing. Throughout the day, I'm telling, throughout the day, come. मुझ पे एक एहसान करना, मुझ पे कोई एहसान मत करना. What I'm saying? मुझ पे एक एहसान करना कि मुझ पे कोई एहसान मत करना. जब आप ताली मारते हो ना, तो जबरदस्ती नहीं है आपको ताली मारना. ठीक है? आपको अगर दिल से ताली मारना है ना, तो अच्छे से ताली मारना. नहीं मारना है तो चुपचाप बैठो. मुझे नहीं पसंद है मेरे को. Very clear? Throughout the day, अगर ताली मारना है तो अच्छे से मारेगा. कैसा मारेगा ताली? Thank you so much, Mr. Kuntal. This was a surprise element by Shekhar sir of inviting Mr. Kuntal to share his experience, what he had gone through. This is a reminder for all of us as well, including me. And this gives me more of energy. I'm more of energy guy. So this gives me more of energy to follow my passion, follow my dream. I'm doing something which I don't like, but yes, I'm enjoying because I've found my passion area. I'm building on it. I love to connect with people. I love to make a difference in each and everyone's life. I chat with so many of them. I try to see how I can make a difference in each and everyone's life. Thank you so much for coming, and we'll definitely work more towards following our dream and passion. Thank you so much, sir.
Could you share with the October program or is it true for right?
नहीं है. But actually, I wanted to share something else. If I can.
Yeah.
Just a minute. It will take. I just wanted to, I am very passionate about Himalayas and the people in Himalayas, and Nepal has undergone a tragedy of like seriously unparalleled levels. Like I have gone into villages where there is not a single standing building, everyone living in the tents, and their life is like horrendous right now. And as someone who's very passionate about Nepal and its people and Himalayas, I thought that I need to give back to them in some way, if possible. And I think more in terms of long term. So I think if Nepal needs to come back on its feet, the way to do it is through tourism. And because tourism brings in almost 15% of their GDP, which is a huge number, considering it's just tourism. So what I'm doing is on June 27th and 28th, I am doing a photo exhibition. This, showcasing Nepal and showcasing the mountains of Nepal and the beauty of Nepal. And the idea is, as many people who can come visit. And my hope is to inspire these people to consider Nepal as their next holiday destination. So I would really, invite each and every one of you personally. If you can make it, it's on 27th, 28th June at Nehru Center. And yeah, if you can make it, it would be great. And I'm also, selling prints at this, and every single, penny would be donated towards Nepal Quake Relief. All the proceeds out of this. So yeah.
I have a question for you. Send me an email with the details, because I'm a member of a lot of expat sites, because I'm also Canadian, so I'm part of many expat sites. So